Meaning of famous.
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 Famous. The word famous refers to someone or something that is widely known and celebrated by many people for their achievements, talents, or other notable qualities. Being famous can bring a lot of attention, praise, and sometimes criticism as well. Famous people can be actors, musicians, athletes, politicians, artists, or anyone who has gained a significant following and recognition for their work or accomplishments. Fame can also refer to places or things that are renowned for their historical, cultural, or other significance.